Chrysalis music. Started by Chris Wright in the early 60s. Now foundering with Queen's Park Rangers. Floundering? They're both, really.
Oh no.
What are you doing here?
I just phoned you, why didn't you call me back?
Oh, you didn't call me on there, did you?
I did call you. Oh no, I didn't, did I? No, I don't.
What are you doing here?
We're filming a documentary on Gene Branch from
Are you? It's
Code
exciting,
Blue.
isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. How do you think Code Blue's going? Are you happy
It's going
with
really,
both?
really well, yeah.